here in my hands is just a few of our large group of subadult pastel ball pythons. We have a bunch of really pretty pastels in stock right now. These are just a few of them. They're all big enough to be feeding on small rats, with the biggest ones feeding on mediums. Here in the store we do offer live rats, so once you get them home, you're going to want to maybe offer them live at first, and then if you really want to feed frozen thawed, give it a week or two of them feeding consistently for you with live before you start to offer the frozen thawed. The big concern usually when you first get these is getting them feeding for you, and then after that you can go ahead and worry about whether or not you're feeding frozen thawed. These guys are gorgeous. Ooh, this one's really pretty. You can see they've each got their own pattern, their own unique look. Every ball python, every pastel, their patterns are all like fingerprints, and we have an exceptionally beautiful group in stock right now. These guys are all really nice and pretty with this kind of jungly pattern to them. So these are amazing. If you just want a really pretty snake to add as a pet, these are fantastic. They're gorgeous, in good shape. All shedding in one piece. So if you want just a regular pet, they're good for that. If you want something really pretty to add to your breeding collection and to kind of expand that, these work great for that too. They're just absolutely gorgeous. So if you're interested in ordering one, you can go ahead and visit our website at www.llreptile.com. And for articles and husbandry information about these, about breeding them, about Punnett squares, about all kinds of other stuff, you can also subscribe to our online newsletter, The Reptile Times, which is sent out for free to your email inbox on the 1st of every month. And if you want to sign up for that, that's going to be www.thereptiletimes.com. And there you have it, just a few of our available subadult pastel ball pythons. If you'd like to order, make sure you visit the website and check them out.